Welcome back. My name is Americo, ASM All LED Lighting. Today I'd like to talk to you about our seamless range of LED strip. We have the 10 watt seamless, the 9 watt seamless, RGB, and all three come as an IP rated version as well. All of our strip has a CRI of 90. Both single colour versions come as 2700 Kelvin, 3000, 4000 and 6000. The 10 watt version, you can do 5 meters in one run and make it 10 meters if you double tail it, so tails at each end. On the 9 watt, which is the Pro, that will do 10 meters in one run with 20 meters if you double end it. And the RGB is 5 watts, and again, 10 meters in one run or 20 meters if you double end it. All the strip can be made dimmable when using a dimmable driver. We do various connectors for it. We have a coupler, a flexible connector, and a live end. These are very simple to use. Basically, take your strip, slide in, like so, with a pair of pliers, clamp down on the metal contacts. That will make a firm contact onto the strip. They do fit inside our profile, so it can be hidden. These are ideal for joining 2 bits of LED strip when you're going around corners. And the coupler, if you have to make a cut or an amendment somewhere, the coupler will bring 2 pieces of LED strip together, creating a seamless finish. The IP rating is 67 on the strip, okay? These do not fit into these connectors, and I would recommend that if you are having it cut and tailed, that you get us to do it in-house at our facilities where it is tested before being dispatched to make sure that the IP rating is maintained. All versions will fit into our profile as such, as you can see here. With regards to the profile, we do various sizes in both surface and recessed and come in 3 separate colours, either aluminium, white or black. Here on display, I have our 10 watt cob, our 9 watt cob and our RGB. As you expect to change the RGB colours, you would need a remote control. And I can literally just go like so and scroll through the colours, okay? Only 5 watts, remember, which for an RGB cob is very low wattage, but as you can see, a very good light output. All of the strip comes with 3M adhesive tape on the back, which is very high tactile, which obviously just peels back like so. And then you apply to the surface that is required. One recommendation that I would make is wherever you're putting the strip, I would use the profile. It does maintain or retain the longevity of the strip by acting as a heat sink, dissipating the heat better and therefore providing a longer life for the strip. I hope you found that useful and I'll see you again soon. Many thanks. So thank you for joining us today on this video. Hope you liked what you saw and found it informative. Please share, like, subscribe under the All LED group, and we'll see you again on the next video.